Attaching the Bluetooth module to the JB4 system. Universal across all platforms except the N54 and older platforms, which will need the power wire. This one does not have the power wire, it's already integrated into it. First, before we start opening up the JB4 system, let's see what the Bluetooth module comes with. Bluetooth module itself, the 2 screws to attach it to the board, and the Allen key to open the JB4 system. Let's pull the JB4 system out. Use the provided 2.5mm Allen to open up the case screws. I'll be using this T-handle just to make this quicker for the video. Remove the plug, put that aside. Now we'll attach the Bluetooth system to the JB4. It can only go one way, so you won't be able to mix that up. Drop the screw in and hand tighten the screwdriver. Do the same to the other side. Now we'll place the system back. This is the very important part. We have 2 different boards. We have the slim board and we have the fatter board. Both of the boards will sit in the same spot. When connected, we want to put the board and make sure it's completely flat. When you feel that it's completely flat, you can put the other half of the case on. Now, people always smash the board. What I always say is to make sure that you're able to fully close the system, and then that's when you know that everything is correct. If the system does not close like this and you have to force it down to close and tighten, then it is wrong. You would have to remove the cover, make sure it sits back flat, and redo it. Doesn't need to be crazy tight. You can feel the O-ring squish. Once it squishes, you are pretty much good to go.